I'm already seeing something. Oh, this is so pretty. So I tried something that I have never done before, and that is ordering a home decor mystery box from Etsy. This is a Victorian one. They had a couple of different styles that you could choose from. I have not opened this. You can see it's still all taped up. So I wanted it to be a surprise for both of us at the same time so that we could like putting it together. So anyways, we're just gonna cut it open. I got my scissors here. I'm so excited. Like I have been checking the tracking so often, but already I'm seeing the packaging is really good. She's got it all wrapped up. Okay, so we have a lid. It's a really cute lid too. Oh my goodness, I love the design art already. Okay, see what this one is. Okay, here's the bottom piece to this. Oh, it's a little container with a lid. That is so pretty. Look at this. I don't know what I would use it for. Maybe a match cloche. That would be really cool. On to the next item. This one again. She really likes using cute stickers. I love that. I'm already seeing something pretty. It looks like flowers. Oh, it's a teacup. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is bone china, Queen Anne, made in England. Oh, she puts a little tag. It says vintage Queen Anne English teacup and saucer, 1940s or 50s. Okay, so maybe there's a saucer in here. Oh, this is so exciting. I'm having a blast here. Like, I could not wait for this package to get here. I know I keep saying that, but I was honestly so excited. I think this may be the saucer to that teacup. It is! Oh, it's so pretty. I love this. Look at that. I love these colors. They're very fall looking. So I feel like this would be really good for decorating for fall. Although I'm going to use it now because this is just really pretty. Let's see what else we have. Oh, a plate. Oh, this is really pretty. It says Pope Gosser China, made in USA. I'm not familiar with any of these brands and stuff that I've seen so far. So it's fun to see some things that I don't typically find in my thrift stores. Oh, and there's another plate. There's another one. This one says, it's called Rose Point. So when we're done, I'm thinking we can Google Lens all of these and look them up closer together to see if we can find any information about these or their value, things like that. See what else we have. This is a bigger one. Let me tell you, this shop wraps their stuff super well, so I am so thankful for that. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this plate. I love it. It says EPIAG, made in Czechoslovakia. I don't know how to say that word. Czechoslovakia. Oh my lord, I don't know. Anyways, I love this so much. I'm excited to look that brand up. That is a lot of really fun items. And now, let's look some of these up and see what we can find out about them. I'm gonna bring the camera closer because I feel like I'm so far away. I have other thrifted items all around here that I didn't clean up from my last haul, but I just, I didn't want to clean them up, so I didn't. There's nothing fancy about it. I just didn't want to do it. I want to look these up together on Google Lens. I thought it would be fun, so we're going to start with the first item, which was this little holder here. Let's look this one up. These can range anywhere from $8 to $30. So we'll just put it somewhere in the middle, maybe like $10 to $15 for this one. If I was thrifting it, I could probably get this for like $2 or less if we're being real. But it was just really fun to have someone else pick out items for you, I think. Okay, so next we are going to do the cup and saucer. Oh, okay, so this one is $18, $29. I feel like it is a pretty good price. I don't see things like this often when I'm thrifting, so it does make it fun to get something like this. Next, we will look up these little flower plates. This one, okay. Bread and butter plate. Interesting. I didn't know that's what this was. So the same brand is what it's finding the Pope Gosser. So it's $12. One is $62, which I don't know why that would be so expensive. Must be a special brand. But yeah, anywhere I think from like $9 to $15. We got 3 of those, but one of them has a bit of a different pattern on the edge. So let's look it up too, just for fun, just to see if maybe it was a more special kind of plate. I don't know. Let's do that though. Okay, it's a dessert or pie plate, so it is a little bit different. One of them they have for $30 on eBay, then it's like $9, $15. So we looked up those little plates. So now let's look up this really big one. Really big. Okay. So fun to look these up together. I've wanted to do something like this for a while, like Google Lens, the stuff that I thrift with y'all, but I didn't know if that'd be something that y'all enjoyed. So if you do like me doing this part, if you don't mind, let me know in the comments, because if you do, I will keep doing it in my thrift hauls. The brand of this one is EPIAG. This is that one from Czechoslovakia. I don't know. I'm so sorry. I really don't know how to say that word very well. This one is saying that it is a Copeland Spode plate, but that is not what this is. So let me add to the search, because you can put a tag in there. Epiag. I'm not sure. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this one here is $10. It doesn't look like this one though. This one still has like this edging on it, which is different from what I'm finding on here. Regardless, it's a really unique plate and I think it's really pretty. Now, I wanted to kind of recap if these are things that I would purchase if I was thrifting. Most of it I would. This was a Victorian box. I would consider this more cottagecore, grandmacore, things like that. Not all of it looks very Victorian inspired. I want to be honest with this review, so I feel like she did a good job. I do like the pieces that she picked, but they don't really feel very Victorian era, if I'm being completely honest. And it was extremely fun to do this and have some different brands that I typically don't find when I go thrifting. And if I was to pick my favorite piece, I actually think my favorite piece is these little plates here. These are very, very pretty. I think these are definitely going to be the win of the day. So anyways, I had so much fun looking through this box with you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. Thank you so much for being here today. My name is Michaela. God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye.